All right, guys, right now on Live Breaks, we have AP going to be doing 3 boxes of 2015 Topps 5-Star Baseball. AP, appreciate the order. Good luck. Let's see what we get for you. All right. There we go. All right, so starting off, I like this guy, Jacob Grom. Your first auto. Beautiful looking cards this year. I've talked to you before, AP. Second up, Matt Whistler, number /50 on the rookie auto. Matt Whistler. Is it really? Or are you just messing with me? Oh my. Next up. Starting off, Kung Fu Panda, Pablo Sandoval is your next auto. And we got a nice one in back. We have Golden Graphs, Sonny Gray. That's going to be numbered 44 of 50. Sonny Gray. All right, and on to the last box here of 5-Star. There we go. Not allowed to. Starting off on the back, Marquis Grissom. Marquis Grissom. And on the back, we got numbered 7 of 10, Michael Franco. Michael Franco, 7 of 10. All right, so AP, that will do it for you. Again, appreciate the order. We'll get these packed up and shipped out for you.